Back with another video, and y'all could see I got the fresh braids. Here I got the dollar sign. I don't know what's on the back though. But yeah, so today is another cooking with friends video. I also I can't screen record anymore because I don't got enough storage, so I'm gonna pay for it probably like tomorrow. So yeah, this video isn't gonna be edited. Yeah. But today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a grilled cheese. So first, pan is still wet, man. Okay. So we put the pan on the stove and then hold up. So you need the cheese, cooking spray, some bread, and let me get it. Hold up. We need a butter knife. Let me wash that out well. A butter knife, a thin one, and the butter. Yep, we need that butter. We put the pan on there, right? So then you set it on low. But yeah, how does my roasting something? No, what smell like that? Alright. No, I hear the. Hold on. Okay. I want to know that sound. In the neat place begin. Look at people are happy to come here. It's happening. It's happening. Oh my god! Friends, where did the chips ahoy go? I'm too sure I took them. Why? I don't know. Okay, I'm back. So here you gotta spray the thing on there. Finally found out how to turn on the stove. So why that's on there? It's not true. So yep, that's melting. Now while that's melting, you take the bread. Yes. You took 2 pieces of bread, right? So take them 2 pieces, you open one up. And then we get the cheese. Take the pan off. I mean, we take the cheese out. You put this on the cheese. You put the cheese on the bread. And we close it. Then you put that on there. Oh yeah, I just forgot one more thing. Wash it off. Take this. We wash it off. Then do that. We push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Also, on my old TikTok, I got my TikTok. I got a new TikTok account, and also, if if I ever see any, just to make like these are nipples. These are not titties. I'm just big. Puzzling book. It's 3, 54, 55, 56, 57, 8, 59. 1 minute. I'm gonna take it, flip it over. See, it's crispy. I'm gonna push the 1, 2, 3, 4. In a minute. Ooh. Okay. Now, it's for me. It's not crispy enough. Let's just get us a plate. Um, 12, 13, 14 minutes. Trying to flip it over again. Oh my gosh. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4 minutes. Okay. Oh my gosh. Let me turn this now. Oh! Hold up. Now we wash out, off, butter knife again. Woo! And that right through the middle. Like I always say, it's never too late for a grilled cheese. On a grilled cheese. Oh man, we don't got no cheese though. But looks like this. Time to make another one. Since I'm always seeing people who are really good at making these, I'm gonna use mayonnaise. No, this is my own personal mayonnaise. That's why it's so little. So I can use however much I want. So nobody can call me greedy with the mayonnaise. Alright, spread it. Oh man, not enough. Wait, is it enough? my first time trying to cook ramen noodles. I feel like it's a canon event for everybody's first time cooking ramen noodles as a kid. Because I'm seeing mad people who burn ramen noodles. Because that happened to me as a kid too. I know it's probably from the TV. Because he loves playing the game. This is very annoying too. I don't know if y'all can hear that or not. But it's like, honestly, thank y'all for like subscribing like mad great. Cause I post inside the last 2 days, I earned 7 subscribers. Imagine, imagine if I get to 100K and not just Corey Kenshin, y'all. That would be crazy. Now for the cheese. Yes, it's Corey Kenshin not on the platform no more. Y'all got me. And hopefully when Corey Kenshin come back, y'all don't just be like, oh, Corey Kenshin's back. We don't gotta watch Prince no more. Cause then I'm just gonna be sad. Imagine just succeeding inside of YouTube while Corey Kenshin is gone. And then once he comes back, everybody just leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I feel like that looks like a year. That is a year. Ew. 1, 2, the handles are 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. We gonna get a cheese ball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, we have to, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, Spooky Scary Sunday coming too. 43, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. AKA 1 minute. Ooh, you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Also, if anybody who say got neck brace, nah, they meant wrong. 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 6, 7, 8, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Oh my gosh. Pick that up, put that right there. Turn off the stove. Oh, hold up. This is my favorite part, y'all. My mom always does this. I need mittens. I need mittens really bad. Make sure the water's cold. Oh, that's my favorite part. A little kids that's watching my video, I'm gonna try and teach y'all some science. So I did. And I'm gonna do that. So I did. Probably after. So after you so the reason why it does that is because the hotness with the coldness doesn't go right. But since Corey can not here, make sure y'all still hit that like button. Yeah. Refunding knife. Oh, this is. Oh no, thank you for this thing. So yeah, the steam and the cold water makes it go like that. Let's see if we get a cheese pull. It's thick. Hope you do. That was a little cheese pull. Well, we kind of got a cheese pull. Just make sure your snips that make sure your snips that like button. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the next one. Also, this sword was broken. I just used super glue. And if my mom's watching this or any other adult that knows me, I know as a kid you're not supposed to use super glue because you could get your hands stick together, but I used it one time, so now I know the basics. But yeah, this is how other one turned out. So yeah, peace. And I'm gonna try and make an outro.